Welcome to the Asna AI demo. Let's begin with the landing page. Here, we've clearly outlined what Asna AI does, helping businesses automate customer communication using voice AI. We've also highlighted key use cases like appointment booking, reminders, and inbound support. To make it easy for new users to try the product, we've added a test a call button right here on the landing page. With just one click, they can experience how our AI voice agent works in real time. Now let's take a look at the landing page. This is the screen you see right after logging in. Right up front, we've made it simple for users to get started. You'll see a collection of pre-built agent templates. Just one click, and you're ready to launch an AI voice agent tailored to your use case. From this page, users can access everything they need. They can rent a new phone number for the agent. Next, let's look at one of the most loved features, the Try It Out option. This allows users to quickly test their prompt before going live. It's a great way to fine-tune the agent's responses and see how it performs in real time. Call logs and get a quick overview of call analytics. We also offer deep call insights. Every call is transcribed and we use AI to extract key fields that matter most to the business. Optionally, users can also enable call recording for full transparency. Let's explore some of these features in action. Now, outbound agents. Under the Agents tab, users can view, manage, and configure all their AI voice agents in one place. Each agent comes with multiple customization options. Configure lets you define the agent's behavior and personality. Integrations allow you to connect the agent with your own tools or systems. Knowledge base gives you the ability to upload documents. These work as reference material for the agent to answer user queries accurately. Also, each agent has its own dashboard with call analytics, plus a test agent button to quickly try and refine the experience. Now let's explore the additional tabs available under outbound agents. The AI Dialer tab helps users run quick test calls, launch bulk calling campaigns, or schedule calls ahead of time. You can specify the time zone and define calling time slots to ensure calls go out at the right moment. All upcoming and scheduled calls are organized in the Scheduled Calls tab, making it easy to track status and manage changes. Finally, the Dashboard tab gives a clear overview of call performance and analytics across all outbound agents, helping users monitor results and optimize campaigns. Welcome to Inbound Agents. Here, users can create an inbound agent either from scratch using a blank template or by selecting from pre-built templates designed for common use cases. Just like outbound agents, users can fully configure the agent's behavior, assign a dedicated phone number, and connect apps or APIs. For example, integrating a calendar to handle appointment bookings. They can also upload a knowledge base, such as FAQs or support documents, so the agent can answer customer queries accurately and contextually. And finally, there's a dedicated dashboard for each inbound agent, giving a quick snapshot of key metrics and call analytics to track performance. That wraps up the demo. With Asna AI, you can launch powerful inbound and outbound voice agents in minutes, fully customizable, integrated, and analytics ready. Try it out with 1000 free minutes. We'd love to help you get started. Thank you for watching.